click on news links. And that's because it's so dry, but it might get wet. Is that right?
I'll tell you what, it's really wet to our east, and tonight, get ready for a major league east wind as that moisture comes in here, because we're going to feel that. And then tomorrow we're going to get a shot at rain. Here's a look at what's going on. And you can see when you got that much rain across eastern New Mexico, you cool the air mass over this area, and that cool air will come back in our direction. I'll get into details on that in just one second. But as far as what we've got going on, Las Vegas picking up rain up through Wagon Mountain. And we are looking at some more intense cells here as you head south of Roy and Mosquero, where you're seeing some steady rains as well. Farther down to the south along the I-40 corridor now, things have really blown up around Santa Rosa. Vaughn picking up some pretty good storms for us right now. And as you go out toward Tucumcari and House has been dealing with a storm just sitting over them for about an hour and a half now. And this is a heavy rainmaker as well. So the big concern with all these storms, not necessarily big-time hail, but big-time rain because they're moving so slowly. And again, around Roswell and areas like Artesia, Hagerman, all seeing rain and sometimes heavy rain. We do have to watch out for flooding. Stay away from the arroyos in any areas across eastern New Mexico for tonight and into early tomorrow as well. Now, here in the metro area, because we have all these storms and a cold front that's gone through the east, that is giving us a whole lot of cool, moist air piling up against the mountains. Well, tonight, that cool air will funnel through the canyon, and we'll be looking at sustained winds 20 to 30. And judging by the storms that we have out there now, I wouldn't be surprised if we go well higher than this for some of our wind gusts out of the East Canyon later on tonight because of all that cool, moist air flowing in toward us. And then tomorrow, we add the heat of the day, and we start to crank up some thunderstorms, even here in the metro. 96 right now, southwest winds at 13. They're going to shift and head out of the east later on tonight. 70s and 80s to the north, down to the south, just the 70s in Roswell, thanks to all that rain. But Carlsbad hasn't seen the rain, and they're over 100 degrees. Got all that moisture sitting across the east, and again, we pile in the winds tonight, and then the moisture and the storms will start to just creep into central and western sections throughout the day tomorrow. So that's a good setup for us to be looking at more widespread thunderstorms for tomorrow as well. Some much needed stuff out there for us with the storms in central and especially eastern sections, even out to the west. Scattered thunderstorms will be a possibility tomorrow, and then we'll recycle this stuff all over again for Friday. So overall, a pretty good setup for us. One thing we have to watch for, though, especially here in central and western sections, we are likely to have more lightning strikes here over the next 24 hours. So we could be looking at some additional ignitions if we don't get some beneficial rain. Four Corners, partly cloudy. Spot rain here. We won't get as much rain into the Four Corners as other areas, but still, scattered storms will be possible into the weekend. Across the south and west, scattered storms here for tomorrow. 92 Silver City, 98 in TRC, and 93 in Socorro. South and east, you guys are looking at a good shot once again at rain throughout the night tonight and into the day tomorrow as well, with temperatures topping out in the low to mid 90s, but warming back up again by Friday to 96 degrees. North and east, we are looking at a lot of storms here right now, and that will be another possibility for tomorrow with enough moisture in place to support them. Northern mountains, good shot at storms for tomorrow as well. Temperatures in the 80s and 90s, some scattered stuff possible through the night tonight. Santa Fe, scattered storms as well over the next couple of days. East mountains, get ready for the wind tonight, and then scattered storms for tomorrow. 85 to Harris, 86 in Edgewood, and finally right here in the metro area, we will have to deal with those gusty east winds tonight. That will set the table for the possibility of thunderstorms tomorrow.
All right, and as we know from your weather party starter conversation last night,
yeah,
New Mexico has the 6th most lightning strikes in the U.S.
Almost a million a year.
Yeah, sports is next.
Miss the 49th annual New Mexico Art